Hi students, welcome to the channel. Coming back to the topic, that is computer network components. In previous video we have discussed basic 5 components. Now we will start with the next component, that is shared data. Shared data. Okay, this is the most important component. Shared data are data which is shared between clients. Okay, data that is shared between some clients such as data files, printer access, programs and emails. Okay, all these are the shared data. All these are very important if we are using a computer network. So the next point is, seventh important component is access points. Access points. So access points allow devices to connect to the wireless network. With the help of access point, we can connect to the wireless network. That means without cables. There is no need for cables to connect clients with the server. As in the previous video, we have discussed about transmission media. With the help of transmission media, we can connect all these computer systems to the server with the help of wires. Okay. But in case of access points, we can connect all these without wires. All these focus on the principle of signals, right? A wireless network allow you to bring new devices and provide flexible support. With the help of this, we can get a flexible support for mobile users. Okay. जैसे कि आजकल हम लोग क्या करते हैं, सब लोग मोबाइल फ़ोन यूज़ करते हैं एंड मोबाइल फ़ोन में नेटवर्क के थ्रू हम लोग कनेक्ट होते हैं. हम लोग सर्वर भी यूज़ कर रहे हैं, हम लोग बाकी डिवाइसेस के साथ भी कनेक्ट होते हैं, बट विदाउट वायर्स. सो दीज आर डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ एक्सेस पॉइंट्स ओनली. ओके, सो जब भी हम लोग वायरलेस नेटवर्क की बात करते हैं, दैट मीन्स वी आर यूजिंग सम एक्सेस पॉइंट्स. दिस इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट component of a network. Next point is network interface card, also known as NIC. Remember this full form. This is very important. Okay, network interface card. Okay, network interface card receives data. It is used to send and receive data and controls data flow. It also control data flow between these computers and the network. Okay, suppose these are the 2 or more computers connected to the server. With the help of network interface card, it becomes very easier to send and receive data between these devices. Okay, if we are using network. And it is also used to control the data flow. It always control the flow of data between these devices. Okay, and so it becomes very easier to share the data between devices over a computer network. Next point is local operating systems. Okay, a local operating system helps personal computers. It helps personal computers to access files and print to a local printer and uses one or more disk and CD drives which are located on a computer system or personal computer. हम लोग कोई भी अगर लैपटॉप या कंप्यूटर यूज़ करते हैं तो वहाँ पे लोकल ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होता है हमेशा. ठीक है, जिसकी हेल्प से क्या हो सकता है, जिसकी हेल्प से हम लोग इजीली फाइल्स को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि हम लोगों ने कोई फाइल को प्रिंट करवाना है लोकल प्रिंटर से, केबल्स के थ्रू कनेक्टेड अगर वो है सिस्टम, तो वो सब चीज़ों में हमें हेल्प करता है लोकल ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज प्रोटोकॉल्स. In computing, protocols means some rules. Okay, a protocol is a set of defined rules. Remember this point. This means rules. Okay, it is a set of defined rules that allow two entities to communicate communicate across the network. Okay, and some standard protocols used for this purpose are IP, Internet Protocol, TCP, UDP and FTP. Okay, all these are some important protocols that we use if we are using computer network. We will discuss all these in detail, right? So these are the major important rules. Okay, next point is hub. Hub is the most important or most commonly used central device. Okay, it is a device that split network connection. It split network connection into multiple computers. It acts as a distribution center. Remember this point. It always acts as a distribution center. So whenever a computer requests any information from the computer or from the network, it sends the request to the hub through a cable. Okay, we can use it is a wired system. We can also say it as hub is a wired system. Suppose this is the central device hub and there are so many computers connected to this हब. ओके, एंड अगर हम लोगों को कंप्यूटर 1 से कंप्यूटर 3 में कोई भी डेटा ट्रांसफ़र करना है एंड बीच में हब काम कर रहा है. ओके, सो सबसे पहले हब क्या करता है, पहले इस वाले सिस्टम से रिक्वेस्ट ले लेगा डेटा ट्रांसफ़र की, राइट. सो उसके बाद ये सेकंड कंप्यूटर को एक्नॉलेज करेगा, थर्ड कंप्यूटर को एक्नॉलेज करेगा कि यहाँ पे डेटा रिसीव करने के लिए एक रिक्वेस्ट आई है. एंड अगर थर्ड सिस्टम उसे एक्सेप्ट करने की परमिशन देता है, ओनली देन कंप्यूटर 1 कैन सेंड डेटा टू द कंप्यूटर 3 विद द हेल्प ऑफ हब सिस्टम्स. ओके, ये मतलब है कि इट एक्ट्स एज अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेंटर. सो वेन एवर कंप्यूटर रिक्वेस्ट एनी इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम अ कंप्यूटर और फ्रॉम अ नेटवर्क, then it sent the request to the hub. Okay, it sent request to the hub through a cable with the help of this cable, right. The hub will receive the request and transmit it to the entire network. So this is the basic meaning of, this is the basic working of hub system. So this is about some more components of computer network. We will discuss some other components in the next video. Thank you.